Yo, what's up? Good morning, Jeez. Good morning. Just fixing my shit. So we did have news in the pre-market. I think we'll analyze the charts here in a bit. Gonna start. Let me see if I could get more people in here. Nah, off that bat. Nah, 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 nah. Now macro, not macro. We're not in the macro. We're eating for the macro. Oops, oops, oops. Job news was crazy. Apparently, shit was moving hard. Shit was moving. Waiting for the macro, boys. I'll deep dive, analyze the charts here in a bit. Let me just finish doing something. But we're going to get straight into it. Let's see if more people joins before I start yapping my yapping sesh. Do this, and then we're live on what on YT at Misk. All right, all right, all right, all right. Let's get into it. Good morning, welcome. Yo, Naz, I guess we're on the NQ. Bro, why you didn't wait for body close? What do you mean, brother? Yesterday on yesterday's trade? Is that what we were talking about? What's up, fine gentlemen? Oh, it doesn't look too good. We had news. Let me see. Quick analysis. Trading off this bullish gap to the next target, which is this high. Could also aim for this high. Let's see what ES is doing. Yes, yesterday. I'll check the VOD right now at when I opened, but it was a few seconds before the candle closed. I figured it was gonna make the CRT because of how bullish the candle closed. What is your bias today? Just about analyzing that. So we already swept the daily, the high and the low of the previous day, which is not ideal. This could very well mean a lot of stale movement. We are displacing from this bullish gap. We've swept this high. We have this other high as a target to trade into the bearish gap. Let me look at ES to see exactly where it's at. Yeah, so there's massive bearish SMT already here. ES trading inside of the gap. So we could be bullish in that in the 1 hour. Displacement of the bullish gap to take the high. We're getting some type of rejection. I mean, the thing that throws me out is we do have bearish SMT. It's kind of sketchy, but you say you only Unicorn. I start to watch ICT Fanatic Mentorship. Oh yeah, his videos are good. I mean, I recommend it all the time. Bro, stare you in the eval or fund it not. I don't know what you're saying, brother. Yes, I only trade the unicorn, but that's a special case. Um, I also like trading CRT. That's what I've been trading for the past year. Um, it's probably the type of entry that every time. Right now I'm in eval stage. Wait, y'all can't see it. Right there, you can see I'm in eval stage. Let me fix my shit. I think this should be good. Getting that bearish reaction, but not too inclined. I saw unicorn on that Zag, or I think it was made low 400. But this FVG started going back up. Where does price want to go? What does it want to do? Right now it's not the best price action. We do need to wait for some more context. We are displacing from bullish imbalances. The thing here is that ES is trading inside of a bearish gap, 4 hour, and we are getting some bearish reaction from it. So let's see what happens here. Extreme patience. Like I said, this is not the best price action that we want to be trading. Not exactly what we want to be trading, boys. Let's take some good quality setups. I'm in about how much should I risk? Well, I'm trying to risk between 500 and 600 bucks per trade. Usually I'm just opening one mini, but probably around 500, 600 bucks. Aim for a 2 to 1. So we're just going up and down here. In other words, we're just chopping. We probably don't want to trade chop. What you think will implement your percentage of win rate? What do you mean, brother? What could I do to implement to increase my win rate? Is that what you mean? I am up 270 up to the dude. Should I trust mistrading today? Don't trust me, bro. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not here to give out signal trades. Do you trade the orb strategy? No, I do not trade the orb strategy, bro. What do I see in the chart? I see we just swept the high, we swept liquidity high. We have bearish SMT with the S, but we are having choppy price action right now. We do have this order block and we do have room to drop, mainly because of that bearish SMT. Let's see if this wants to leave a bag. Just probably doesn't. Choppy price action right now in the first macro. It's too early to short, in my opinion. We are putting in now a bullish SMT. ES swept its lows. We need more context here, boys. We need more. We just need more. Like, this is too tough to trade. What price action will confirm an entry for me? I mean, liquidity sweep paired with a breakaway gap, inversing a breaker block. But right here we have too choppy price action. We had a big pump pre-market in the news. We filled this gap and we're getting a rejection from it on the 15 minute. Just need more context, boys. Like, I would just wait up. Just wait up till we see more development of price. I'm watching both assets. There's no unicorns to trade. We are just chopping, like I said, from the big move. Just wait. How do you know the perfect time to trade? Are you waiting for confirmation? Can you explain it? For sure, brother. So for starters, I only trade in macro times, which is 9:45, 10:15, and what I'm mainly looking for is strong moves, big displacements, shifting market structures. What I'm mainly looking at, like I said, right here we have a lot of chop. Um, the candles are way too close. We're leaving no gaps in between, no imbalances. We just pumped overnight. We are trading inside of this bullish imbalance. If we get closer here to the hour, we could invalidate it. We could inverse it in the next 5 minutes. But this is not optimal price action. Yesterday, what we had a strong liquidity sweep and then a pump. That is the best price action. So we do have a bullish SMT, which could be a tell that price wants to push. But ES is standing in a bearish FVG, which could mean price rejection. I would have extreme patience, probably no trades in this first macro, but let's see. Let's get closer here to the hour where we're going to start seeing some movement of where price wants to go. But it's just waiting for better price action. That's really all about it. I mean, detaching from that rush of already wanting to make money, already wanting to take a trade, realize that the match just started. This is the first macro. Obviously, we all want to be done by the first macro. Or some of you just want to trade just to trade. And if we take a trade here today, you're not even going to be done for the day. But shit, man, who am I to judge? I'm in the same boat. But yeah, like we just need more context. I can't just trade bullshit. So it seems to be that ES wants to go lower, but ES is kind of holding off, kind of struggling. Wait, hello? Do y'all hear me? The stream cut off? Are we good? I think we're good. Are you hear me? Alright, bet. See if we want to close under this line. We are embarrassing here. Enki's trying to catch up with ES. Strong sweep right there. Like I said, I'm just waiting, boys. I need more context, better PA. We could maybe look to short from here, but it's already going. Are we just gonna invalidate the whole news move? At least to this order block we could target, perhaps. No real entry yet. We're just watching the context play out. We're watching what Price wants to do. We could put a limit here to try some shorts, but we do have a lot of room to dump. I'm gonna wait. I'd rather wait. Not gonna trade no bullshit. So it's okay to just let it go, to watch it fall without you. It's alright. It's not the end of the world. Why remove, bro? Because it won't be the best trade. I'd rather just wait for a better setup or see what happens when we tap the order block, see how price reacts. Like we need a more context up here, and just because we have sharp movement doesn't mean I'm gonna jump in straight into the trade. Let's see what price wants to do. But in my opinion, there was really like if you trade ICT concepts, no real entry there, just displacement from a chop. Is it unicorn? Yeah, it could be considered a unicorn because this order block right here, bullish order block, got inversed with a bag. We could, like I said, put a limit here and wait for price to retap the zone for the continuation lower, but I rather just wait. NQ is like holding bullish. We are rejecting from this 4 hour gap. We have some targets up here that we could continue respecting, but it's 10 a.m. just now. We're gonna get a lot of movement. Let's see what happens. I rather just wait. Order block is when the market changed direction. Am I right? Yeah, I mean, like, it's basically just like bearish candle engulfed by a bullish candle, ideally leaving a displacement or a gap. So this low right here, this low is the order block. Look at the 15-minute. That's our order block. And sometimes when the body is bigger, I mean, when the wick is bigger than the body, you could just count the wick as the order block. So sometimes this happens where like we're here in the macro, we could obviously look for trades, but I don't want to be the guinea pig. Um, I feel like price is not in the best position. We could perhaps look for some continuation shorts here on the limit sell since it failed to take on the order block. Price is pretty weak. We could re-enter off. I would only do it off this gap. But let's see if this hourly candle can manipulate some more and tag me in. If not, like I'm not too worried about it. This is the top step. I am in top step right now. So we pretty easily right here made the hourly top. That's what it feels like. That's what it seems like. We made the top wick from the hour, and we could definitely see like displacing into this generated gap. And it's going, boys. Didn't tag me in. Tapped in the 2 minute. It most definitely did tag in the 2 minute, but there was no order block from the 2 minute. So it's going, boys. It is going. Wait, let me do something real quick. Let me do this copy trading bullshit. Should be good. Yeah, we're good. Luis generally just made general world of this short. Don't fuck, don't push it. Don't fuck him up, bruh. My bro's probably going through it. He missed on the shorts. I mean, it's alright, bro. Like, match just started. We could always wait for like for the next two macros. Like, are we in a rush to make money right now? Like, what is it? What? Market retraces to the answer? Probably not anymore. Um, maybe I would like an inversion from this order block. Maybe I could start considering bullish, but for that, I want to see this order block get tapped. Maybe like I feel like the move we missed it. We missed the entry. Like if we get another retracement and tap, nah. Like maybe see an inversion from this order block for price to push higher. Are we gonna invalidate the lows? I mean, it's gonna suck if we don't tap into the order block. I mean, this is already like you could already consider this like the liquidity sweep because we did sweep like the lows. This could be like a turtle swoop, but like I said, it kind of sucks that we didn't tap on the order block because an order block's gonna like it's gonna be a strong draw on liquidity to push the price higher. So there's always that second guessing that if we inverse this, like this order block is gonna remain unfilled, which is not. It's a 15-minute OB. It's the top wick of the 15-minute OB, but it should definitely tap, and right there it's tapping, it's tapping. 15 minute, it's a 15-minute OB. It's tapping, boys. My dad's in the live stream on Instagram. He should come join on YouTube, where the real magic happens. So we're tapping on that order block, which is good. Now let's see how price reacts. Why just the wick? Because when you have these instances where the body is smaller than the wick, you only count the wick as the order block. And we're getting a nice rejection from this order block. Let's see if we can continue respecting the OB and maybe displace above this bearish order block. because we did tap into an hourly gap right there. You could see it. So maybe we could see a displacement from the bullish gap. Things gonna at least dump till data low. When are you entering? When there's an entry valid? No valid entry right now. Like there's no unicorn. ES is hard displacement, bro. ES was that? Let me see. Let me check the news real quick. It was 7:30. No, it's not 8:30 before. Yeah, it's the 8:30 low. So ES already swept the data news low. It already swept this candle's low. Yes. So we have a mullis. We need the unicorn. Yes. We gotta wait, boys. We gotta wait. I feel that rush and impatience to take trades. We gotta wait for a good setup. And now like we could consider this being the turtle soup, this the order block overthinking bullish, like a bullish run. The we do have the macro time against us. We're gonna have one more 5 minute candle, but let's see if we could start inversing. I need to get ready for school. Shit. I mean, you should definitely go to school in between the macros, bro. And it's still going. It's still making the bearish order blocks and it's dumping from them. So bearish order flow is pretty much. We most likely are gonna wait for the next macro, boys. I mean, sometimes you get this where you just gotta observe what the fuck the market's doing. We did tap this 2 minute gap. It's difficult for me to consider this a unicorn because there was no real order block we were displacing from. Um, Possibly the 1 minute we retraced it here, but it wasn't like the cleanest or the best. After this chop, what could have happened? We could have chopped, sweep the low, and then like continue pumping higher. I don't want to be a victim to that. I'd rather wait for a clean setup with good direction. Oh, it's going for everything. It's going for everything, boys. What a strong draw on liquidity, right, boys? That those data lows, holy shit! Like what a move, and it's still going, boys. Imagine if Luis took that short, that would have been crazy, dog. And sometimes you gotta be like that. You gotta be like that. You gotta watch price go and get absolutely no feelings from that. My friends took a couple trades. They made some money. They're using the enhanced order block strategy. Luis sold for real, bro. I missed the short. It didn't tap me. It didn't tap me in either, bro. It's all good. Gotta let it go. Them data lows, bro. Holy shit. Strong drawn liquidity. And price is just tanking right now. What the fuck? What the fuck? Gonna wait for the macro, boys. Gonna wait for the macro. Should I sell? Probably not. I mean, I'm not a financial advisor, bro. You can do whatever the fuck you want. The price is very heavy, but I just wouldn't do anything. We are sweeping some lows. We are reaching liquidity. I mean, I would, like I said, I'd rather just wait for the next macros, see where we are in price. I'm not gonna FOMO trade, not gonna do none of that bullshit. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, like I do hate trading combines. I hate taking it slow on the combines. But it's what you gotta do. The slow route is the fast route. You just gotta stack winning days on combines to pass them. I'm not gonna gamble them. These cost money. So with that in mind, gotta have proper risk management, proper like trade setups, trade ideas, treat it as a business. If a unicorn come without macro, can we enter? No. Cannot enter if they're if we're off macro. You could give it a try and it could work, but it's not my strategy, and I'm not gonna take it. Yes, I'm going to wait till 12:45. Let's write down the macros here. So the first macro that just went by, we just 9:45, 10:15. Next macro is 10:45, 11:15, and then 11:45, 12:15. These are the times we look for trades. This first macro, there was no trade that presented itself that was quality enough for us to take, so we skip over to the next macro. Are you handsome? I don't know, brother. You tell me. Type of question. Type of question. So those are the three macros I trade. I do also sometimes trade the PM macros. Can I see your dog? Sure. Chata. I have two dogs with me right now. She's fat. She's my daughter. She loves me. She's my baby girl. And this is the daughter, and then I have the mother. She's blind, but she's chilling in the sofa. She's right there. She's chilling. But yes, boys. Yeah. That's how it be. What do you do after you trade for the day? That's a great question. So I just started a new job. So before, what I would do is I would edit the video. I would trade. I would record, edit the video, upload the video. After that, I would go to the park, take a book with me, get some sunlight, exercise, read a book, and I would do that for like 3 hours. Come back home, eat, and just see what my friends are doing. Do some unemployed shit. But now you should make another source of income for sure, brother. Now, I started a new job. I'm working at this. Any doom scrolling? Yeah, here and there. That's why I have this shit to reduce the doom scrolling. I'm reading Brothers Karamazov. I'm from Mexico, brother. Unemployment shit is goaded. Yeah, it's goaded. Job scares me, but I am working a job right now. It's a family-owned business. I just started my first day yesterday. I mean, the day before yesterday on Monday. Yesterday was my second day. And honestly, I fucking loved it. Pretty fun routine that I'm having, and I'm just super grateful what my life is right now. It was fucking dope, honestly. Like, yeah, it was pretty good. I mean, doing everything I love. Restaurant, not a restaurant. It's a tequila business. It's family owned. Um, there's like fucking three tequila brands, and there's kind of a mess in the company in terms of organization and structure. And I've been working on like making some Google Sheets, which y'all know I love doing. Like just to give you an example, like the journal, I made like I'm gonna show y'all something. I made a journal with my friends because their accountability is garbage. Oh, that's my email. Don't look at my emails. The accountability is garbage, and I made a. Y'all could pause this. Y'all could steal this, but like we're trying to find a way to like just be consistently profitable, and I made like this leaderboards type environment. Have all my friends here. And we're gonna like track our records, and then we're gonna have meetings where we're gonna discuss trade of the days, and then you have everybody's journal here. I just love doing this type of shit. I mean, like I said, their accountability sucks ass, and this is maybe something I'll look to implement like with people on the Discord because I love accountability and I love when people keep me accountable. I love keep people accountable. What I give, I like to receive. This will help my group too. Yeah, for sure. These motherfuckers, they're ungrateful. They don't value what they have. Look, one of my friends just commented right there. He's the least accountable motherfucker on the space deck. Nah, I'm kidding. He's not. And they're not. They're trying to be better. I'm impressed by your organization and patience in trading. Don't be deceived, brother. Don't be deceived. On Friday, I was monkey brain and I revenge traded and I was not disciplined at all. I was disciplined for 5 weeks straight. One day was all it took. One day is all it took to blow my shit up. I feel like the losses are heavier than the winners. Like it's in trading, you look more of how people lose and how they win. So don't get deceived about my patience and my organization, brother. I'm still working on it. I'm not where I want to be. People want boot camps and boot camps videos for me, but it's like, bro, like I'm not even there yet. Like, are you sure? I mean, I know what needs to be done, and it's the cliche. Everybody knows what needs to be done for being a profitable trader. One of those things is patience and waiting and not fucking up in one day. I mean, the journal I had like went to shit. The Apex journal, like that shit was beautiful. Like I was more than 30 trades in. The journal shit was going up, uptrend. Just a Friday was all it took to throw all this in the trash. This is like this is 5 weeks worth of work. So, like I said, don't be deceived, brother, about my shit. Um, I do, however, this did not happen on stream. It happened off stream. Everything I do on stream, I do it with the intention for y'all to take something away from here. Patience, discipline, waiting for your setup, taking good setups. Yes, and most people just show their wins, but they don't show their losses. But the difference that I see on you is that you explain everything so good and you read everyone's comments with all that. Appreciate you, bro. I mean, transparency is where it's at, brother, because there's a lot of fake people, not just in the trading space, bro. I feel like in the world in general, there's just a lot of fake ass people, dog, in social media and just in real life, like, and and it's worse when they believe their bullshit lies. So I'm trying not to be like another fake ass person. Like I want to actually be transparent. At the end of the day, I am documenting my whole journey. And in order for me to become a consistently profitable trader, I have to live through this. Since I started watching you, my win rate got from 46% to 62%. That's fucking dope, brother. Next time lock your account, at least in top suit. Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Once I pass it, I'll do that. I mean, I never had an issue with that. It's just fuck. Yeah, I should though. Since there's no lockout on TradingView and shit, fuck this light reflection's fucking me up, kinda. Um, since TradingView doesn't have the lockout and shit, I mean, I was disciplined enough for nothing. What happened with the accounts you had? I missed the streams. I mean, nothing happened on stream. On stream, we 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 ended up on the win. On stream, we ended up on the win. What happened was off stream, I was still here in my computer and I was still hooked and I was still I wanted the payout. Like I was ready for the payout on Apex. I just needed one more day. Like one more winning day, and it was a Friday, and I tried to shoot for it. That's the reality of it. I took a big loss, tried to make it back, took another big loss, and that's all she wrote. Set a daily loss even like 1,000, yeah. I mean, fuck the combines, bro. And the combines, I ain't gonna do shit. Like, I mean, I should, I'm gonna do it just to like ease some people's brains here. Uh, personal daily loss limit. Let's put a rack. Let's put the profit target to 1550. We're gonna do liquidate and block. We're going to do liquidate and block. We're gonna save this. We're gonna block and queue. Symbol blocks, add block, NQ's blocked. No contract limit. No enable trading. And then we're gonna lock our settings for the day. This is something I'm gonna be doing like if y'all remind me like almost every stream. So it's impossible for me to blow my account, but like, yeah. Is there any way to use Topside on the phone because I need to go to school? Yes, there is. Can you open Excel again? I want to apply the same process for sure, brother. Go crazy with it. let me open the door. Hold up. Give me a second. It says, you want to see my Excel? So this is like, I wanted to gamify it. So it's like like us in the group, we were debating like, bro, we should all trade the same strategy, bro. But like, there's ego in the group chat for sure, and people like want to trade different shit and different strategies, which is fine. Like, I respect it. Everybody has different ways of trading, right? Um, so we have three people trading the unicorn with me. And then there's one guy trade, or I think there's two guys trading the EOB, and then there's one guy like just trading the forever model, which we haven't put like his conditions to enter trades. But we just want to make sure like your strategy or everything you're gonna do to trade is here. Like my trade management thesis, which I carried it over for my other sheets. Like this literally right here. This is what I do when I open the trade. Like when I enter the trade. This is what I'm looking at. Um, And then you have the leaderboards where I mean this is all like fake simulated because the like each and every single one of our journals should be empty because we're starting from scratch. But you have the leaderboards and then you have like a top step type of let me see, type of data where you get like your break evens, your wins, like blah blah blah. And there's definitely some more stuff I could implement in this. It's just that my brain is fried and I don't know what else to add, like to make it. I put like this, for example, like a contingency plan, set a daily lockout, max 800 lost in a day, and then 0 days without accident, which means like blowing your account. Is this eval and how much profit? I'm up 800 on one eval and I'm up 500 on another eval. I try many times to open accounts on my phone, but it always says wrong password. Shit, I don't know, man. We've been there. I've been watching a psychologist turn traders speak about nervous system, how to work with it, that it's not disciplined, it's regulating the nervous system. Look, this is what happened, bro. This is what happened Friday. So I had issues with the payment for my Adobe Premiere. I couldn't edit videos anymore, and I couldn't upload videos anymore. That's why I stopped uploading. Um, but I couldn't make the fucking payment, so I just like uh swept it. Like I just let it like, oh shit, whenever I make the payment I'll just edit the videos and re-upload them and whatever. But since I lost the ritual of trading and then editing the video and then uploading, I lost that essence of the ritual. So when I would be done with the stream, I'm done for the day. Like I already uploaded the video, I already edited it, I already did that shit, right? So there's no reason for me to be on the charts and trading because I already did what I had to do. But since I stopped editing, I stopped with the ritual. And on Friday, it was so easy for me to not give a fuck about my account because nobody was gonna see it, right? Um, which ended up well costing me the whole fucking account, right? But the message here is that my ritual was so sacred and my environment was so fixed into being profitable that the moment I tweaked something or I stopped doing one thing, it cooked my whole system up. It blew it out of proportions because I was missing one part of my ritual, which was uploading on social media. So now I know. I mean, everything's a learning lesson. Everything's a higher high. How many macros do you usually trade? I don't trade a number of contracts, right? I always risk the same amount. Is the idea behind it. So if you want to write this down, if you're gonna if you trade 5 micros, 30 points or 30 handles is $300. So I'm always risking $300. And if, for example, my stop loss is going to be 20 points away, I'm gonna open 7 contracts. If my stop loss is going to be 40 points away, I'm gonna open 4 contracts or 3 contracts. If my stop loss is 30 points away, I'm gonna open 5 contracts. So it depends on where my stop loss is. I usually don't like going over like 30, 40 at most. 50 is pushing it in terms of stop loss. So for around 40 to 30 point stop loss. So like the message here, or what I was trying to go to, like you talking about the nervous system and everything, like I feel like everything comes down to like brainwashing your brain. Like I have the trader's manuscript. I have the certified funded trader. I'm a streamer, bro. Like I upload reels uh to my social media. Like that in itself triggers my brain into being a professional trader, right? Because I know what it takes to be a professional trader, but I do love gambling and I do love being a DJ and I do love making quick money and bro in eval, you risk $500 in the funded I risked $300. Oh, but there's a lot of like still learning curves because like I can't blame what happened on Friday on the ritual. Like well I blame myself obviously, but getting close to that payout also fucked with my brain, right? Because I had been trading the account for like 5 weeks and I felt like I deserved the payout, but you don't deserve shit, bro. The market humbles you real quick. The EVA, how much you're risking? Around $500 to $600. That's how it be, boys. That's how it be. We're waiting for the macro here. 15 more minutes. Patience, boys. Just ans. I'll try to answer any question y'all have. So ask away. I love yapping. If y'all want to make me yap, I can yap. Should I watch ICT Fanatic? You should definitely go watch ICT Fanatic. That's I'm literally trading his strategy. Just him in your lives. I mean, you watch whoever you want. Like I said, like I also, I mean, I trade his strategy currently, but I wouldn't say everything I know I learned from him. Like there's a lot of shit that I've like acquired from different people and my experience within the markets. You just use Unicorn and CRT. Yeah. Yeah, I don't use no IFVG, no trend lines, no nothing else. So I've talked around like several unicorn traders in the space. There's a lot of unicorn traders that I follow that I'm always like looking at what they trade. And I used to not trade CRT. Like the only trades non the only non unicorn trades I took were CRTs. Like for example, this was a CRT I remember. Shit, I can't even zoom in. But there's a CRT, the highest high, the manipulation, and then the third candle, this displacement candle closes below the first candle after taking a high, putting in a bearish SMT. Like I was just new to short and keeps going. Um, I mainly use the CRT when we have a liquidity sweep and there's an SMT at the lows. That's like my forever model of change in state. Are you sure that the company you work for is not a scam because many of them, after you pass the profit trader test, keep you on the demo version and wait for you to become a profit again? Or if you continue, they remove you. Or if you make a small profit, they use it for marketing. But if you succeed, they remove you. Do you mean Apex? I don't know what you're talking about, bro. Like that feels like conspiracy theories type shit. I mean, what happened was I blew my fucking account. I did not get scammed by anybody. Like I just blew up the account, bro. Like there was no email that they sent me or no like there was nothing, bro. Like I just blew my fucking account. That's it. Like it's not that deep. Like I feel like it's not that deep. And I was trying to prove like, oh shit, Apex is not a scam. Like I'm gonna get a payout with them, but I couldn't get to that. How much is your goal this month? I mean, I have no monetary goal. Like my goal is to pass this funded account to reach step one of the road to glory, and then reach step two, and then reach step three. No monetary goals. Like fuck, bro. No, I mean in future if you want to be profitable. Hmm. I mean, like I said, I need to like test it out for myself. Like I don't want to be a conspiracy theorist and say they're a scam because other people say they're a scam. Like I rather test it out for myself and figure that shit out for myself and build my own conclusion. How much profit in your eval? Like I said, I'm up 800 on one account and I'm up 500 on another. So I'm trading two accounts right now. What do you think of the strategy, the orb strategy? I mean, it's pretty good. People make good money with it. I mean, it's because, like I said, it's just having the discipline to sticking with whatever strategy you're trading, bro. Like, not switching around strategies. A lot of people make good money with the orb strategy, but not a lot of people have the discipline and patience to stick with just the orb strategy. Because what does the orb strategy do? Sometimes it gives no trades. And on those no trades is where you trade and you fuck up your whole edge for the strategy. No, I'm not sure. That is why I'm asking. Are you sure that Apex are trust fail? Like for me to be sure and certain, I have to experience it and get a payout. I'm not sure, right? Like that's why I tried to experience, but I didn't have any issues with passing my account or getting funded or breaking like I didn't break any rules or like I just blew my account. That's it, right? But can you explain the steps and aspects to get a payout, the rules? I mean, I could be brief with it, and I'm speaking from memory, so like I suggest you look at the frequently asked questions and the page, but I could definitely try to give you like an insight. I'm pretty sure you have to you need to have 8 trading days of 50 USD plus profits to take a payout, and then your payout amount your payout amount or no your biggest winning day has to be 30% of your total balance in order for you to take a payout. So if you made $700 in a day, you need to have $2,400, $2,600 in your balance, $2,400 in your balance. Or if you made $1,000 in a day, you need to have $3,000 in your balance in order to take a payout. I have the same issue with sometimes having no trades with the orb setup. It's gonna happen, bro. And what's gonna happen too? You're gonna take losses as well. So everybody has different risk tolerance and risk aversion, right? Everybody trades differently, and everybody's relationship with money is different with how they grew up. So what happens here is, or the difference between a profitable trader and an unprofitable trader is that profitable traders wait for the setup. Profitable traders take losses and still trade their strategy. Profitable traders are patient with their setup. They've detached from the money and they've attached solely to taking good orbs, for example. Me, for example, I only trade unicorns, good unicorns. Yeah, sometimes CRT, like I'm getting shit on in the chat, but I mainly only trade unicorns or wait for a good unicorn setup. And like the real test or the real art of trading is waiting for the setup. Like that's the real impressive part of a profitable trader. When you see them and everybody's saying, yo, you should go short, you should go long, you should do this, you should do that, and watch them and they do nothing. And then when the time comes, when the trade comes, take the trade in and out like you're supposed to, and that's it. That's your shift for the day. Did you get a trade so far? Not yet. Did you make a good research that the company is registered officially in the government means if something happens and they don't want to pay you, there's an official way to seek your rights? Nah, bro, I didn't go that deep. I'm not gonna go that deep on. I mean, I invested probably $90 on that shit. Like it's Like I said, it's not that deep. If the prop firm is a scam, just go to the next prop firm or just trade your own money. Like I said, I had never traded with Apex. I got They offered me a sponsorship. I got sponsored. I wanted to try one of their accounts to promote them, and like people had been telling me that the trading drawdown sucks and whatever. But like the rules Apex have is to stop gambling, like to not entertain gamblers. Apex is for traders that follow a system. It's for traders that follow a strategy. I never had an issue with the trading drawdown. I never had an issue with rules or never had a fucking issue with nothing, Doug. Why? Because I trade a system, I trade a strategy. I always risk the same amount, and I'm always relatively winning the same amount. We do a 30-minute opening range breakout on M&Q with candle close, confirmation, and fixed RR. Well, like you should stick with it. You should only follow it. All right, so the macro is just starting up here. We are getting a bounce. We could perhaps continue dumping. We have this bearish gap. The 1 hour we're rejecting. It's looking bullish. 1 hour is looking bullish. Also rejecting from this bullish order block right here to the left. Um, Same with the 4 hour. We could definitely see this reject. Maybe shoot for the highs. Bullish on the 4 hour, bullish on the 1 hour. The 15-minute, we are retracing from this bullish gap. Um, it's not gonna be the best setup because we do have this massive bearish gap. So if we're thinking bearish, like I would love to see like a displacement off this like of these order blocks. If we're thinking bears, but we do have some nice price exhaustion going on shenanigans here, but we could definitely look for continuations if price wants to continue. Like I said, the 4 hour is holding bullish, the 1 hour is holding bullish, which we do have to be mindful about. We also have to be mindful about this 15-minute gap. We are putting in bullish order block after bullish order block, meaning that we have bullish order flow taking in place. Bullish order block right here, price respects it and dumps and pumps. We have bullish order block right here, price respects it and pumps. How many contracts we would do? I'll be risking around $500, $600 per trade. So however many contracts that is. But for now, we are waiting, boys. We're waiting for some type of context or entry confirmation. We are sweeping these equal highs on the 1 minute. Not quite. Will you enter an eval account? Yes, I will enter on 2 evals. Don't be like that, plan. It's okay to ask questions. There's no dumb questions. If you have any questions, just ask away. Don't get intimidated. I will answer the best I can. Okay, so something that's a fact is that bullish order flow is in place here. The buyers are in control currently. So ideally, you want to see like higher time frame order blocks being disrespected for better confirmation. But in this case, in the higher time frame, we don't have any bullish or bearish order blocks. Mainly bearish order blocks. We do have bullish order blocks. So I feel like I will be more inclined to take shorts. Or take some more continuation shorts. Or maybe, yeah, I feel like we just need more structure in order for us to consider trading a unicorn. But I do want to see how price reacts, reaching like bearish PD arrays, bearish order flow, because we do have buyers in control here. But what happens when the buyers reach bearish areas or sweep liquidity? Are buyers still gonna be in control, or is just gonna continue dumping? So I like to mark out every bullish order block just to see if we inverse it. I am also looking at ES very closely, always, to see if ES wants show sign of a unicorn or wants to print out a unicorn. Usually right now when you have like this sort of leg, exhaustion leg, when you're really unsure where price is going, it's wise to wait for the hour. It's 10:48 right now. We have 12 more minutes for the hour. So it's wise to get closer to the hour because usually within the hour is where price will tell you where it wants to go. Like for example, up here, look at how the macro starts and it makes the bearish order block that takes price lower as soon as the macro starts. It's just beautiful. But what I wanted to say is here we had the 10 a.m. hour open. We had the 10 a.m. hourly open here, and look at price. As soon as it opens, it shoots up. That should be like a strong bearish confirmation because if you know the power of three, you know that this is making the hourly top wick, and it did. Like this is the whole hourly candle. After that, we opened, we displaced, and we just dumped. I just want to see, did we tap here? We did. Holy shit. That enhanced order block bullshit is something. All right, we're getting good displacement. We could look to enter for a bearish unicorn. We're also displacing on the 2 minutes. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's see how this candle closes. So we already did get a market structure shift from this order block, but now it's just a matter of if we're going to leave a gap. Because ES does have a gap just above this candle. So we could be very mindful. How many points is this? 40, 30. Oh boy, I'm gonna go short. Shit, I just lost $100 for nothing. Yeah, I'm in right there. In right there for the short boys. Fuck, I lost $100 for nothing. Wow, as soon as we enter. And that's it. As soon as we entered, holy shit. The unicorn is still very valid. I opened way too much size. The unicorn is still very much valid. Man, get me the fuck out of here, dog. Fuck this copy trading bullshit. Fuck, stop loss should be above this high, bro. The fucking lockout. I mean, it's most likely gonna get like rated, stop rated right there. Open way too much size. Buyers are still strong in control. That was fucking fast, bro. As soon as we entered, get that fucking big volume, big candles. Holy shit. It's like they're plotting against me. Now we're trading into the 15-minute gap. Man, what the fuck was that? Wait, I want to see the executions. Bro, nothing happened, brothers. Damn, imagine if we held that long. I'm just trying to figure out why the size was so much. I was trying to risk 500 bucks. 158, entered, exit, 2, we went short, 75, 251.75, that's 40 points. 40 points, 30 points, 5 contracts is $300. The fuck, bro? Like, that was way too much size, dog. Nah, I took this on NQ. I was trying to risk 500 bucks. I saw this very, very quickly. I noticed we were like 30 points away. But holy hell. Respects this 5 minute gap to the T beautifully. Ah, what a shitty way to take it now. Feeling a little disgusted, and more so that it's on combines. I fucking hate combines, dog. Fuck, bro. Like $1,000 drawdown. We're gonna have to make this shit back. Fuck these combines. Shit, open way too much size, dog. I am going to screenshot it though. We shorted around right there. We're trying to aim for the continuation. What a whack. Just in hindsight, a trash trade, bro. Yeah, and he has fucking fucking A. Nah, I'm noticing. Yeah, fuck me, bro. Is they finished? Nah, nah, hell no, bro. It's just these combines, bro. These combines piss me the fuck off. I'm trading two combines right now. I have one combine right now. I don't usually trade the combines how y'all see me. Like I'm more of a pass the combine in 2 days type person. I'm trying to force myself to be disciplined with this combine because I do want to record the content here. But I kind of want to get crazy right now. But I don't know if that's what I should be enforcing on this stream. But then again, it's an eval, right? Fuck the evals. Like for real, I've grown a bitter hate towards trading evals disciplined. I feel like it's a waste of time. Don't get me wrong, if you're just starting out, like having them combines last is valuable, but I'm so desensitized from blowing evals and from like it's just nothing, no feelings. Yeah, let's see if we close CRT. We could go crazy here, give it a try. No CRT just yet. Fuck, bro. Guys, be careful, bro, because I'm about to do some crazy shit, bro. Like, don't copy trade me, dog. Like, for real. Don't do it, boys. Just want to see how this candle close. Oh my god, what are those confirmations, bro? So we had CRT right there. I'm entering off the CRT. Giving it one more try. I mean, maybe I'm marrying the bias. Maybe I am marrying the bias. And maybe it's too hopeful for price to like come all the way down here. Like that's wait, let me remove this fucking bullshit. No confirmation stack. Get the fuck out of here. Oh, big volume's coming in, bro. As soon as we enter the trade, big volume, the big corporations. So we have bearish SMT. Let's see if it stands. It did just tap the 5 minute unmitigated. Probably move to break even soon. Or I could just adjust my stop loss. Or maybe I could just manual if I feel like it goes against us. Let's see if it wants to raid that 5 minutes or more. Nice little rush from trading. I love it. Even though it's just a fucking trash ass eval. Put in the bullish order block. I do not like that. Just trying to see if we want to raid that 5 minutes or more. We do have the 11 a.m. candle open. It did make the top wick. Alright, going extra tight with my stop loss. What are we doing here? What are we doing? Am I gonna exit? Am I gonna hold till TP? Definitely want to see the 5 minute inverse from here. But we could definitely see some continuations. I love me a good CRT strategy. You don't see the lows getting taken? Let's see how this 5 minutes gonna close. That's what I'm interested in seeing. 30 seconds. Didn't quite inverse it. Big volume loading up. We caught the top of the 15-minute candle. Let's see if we want to continue displacing some more. It's probably my target is like too delulu, too hopeful. I mean, it's going, boys. Don't like how this candle's forming. See if we could close bullish. I mean bearish. Careful what I asked for. This hourly candle has a long way to go to my TP. Probably the low is too hopeful, but maybe I could look to take half contracts off. See if we could continue dumping some more. We do have a lot of imbalances we need to trade against. We are tapping into this bullish order block. We still don't inverse this 5 minute gap. Oh no, not the best candle. It's probably, yeah, this is probably too long of a hold. Twenty seconds to the 5 minute. Want to see it close below. So we did end up closing below, but we do have that bullish order block as the last line of defense, which the bullish order block could push the price higher. Yeah, this is the type of candle you get on the bullish order block. That's just insane, bro. See, we could get clever with it. That's my break even. Because like we were gonna go break even either way. Like it was gonna take us out with one more pump. So I rather like I don't want to see this high get taken. being my new break even. So trying to get smart with the re-entries. Yeah, but we're gonna get stopped out right there. Shit. Ugh. Hmm. Yeah, I probably could have like scrapped the 1K. Just good morning. I passed both my comments this morning after 1 week. Super proud of myself. Sticking to the rules. Always love tuning in because you always stick to your system and I love it. Not the best time to tune in. I know you went short, but I was waiting for this pullback to go long. No, why? Respected that this order block. We're tapping into a 5 minute bearish now. Yeah, we gonna would have gotten stopped out either way, so it was a good re-entry. Good try. We have another bearish SMT. Look at the hourly candle. The 4 hours rejecting from this bullish gap, hard rejection. I'm still looking for shit here. Still long. Hodl, bro. You got this. Looks good for longs. We do have bearish SMT though, but I could definitely see NQ catching up, putting in a new high. The bearish SMT still stands. I'm off for the day. Good luck. All right, thanks, brother, for tuning in. Thank you. Have a good day. I'll catch you all tomorrow. Bearish SMT holding strong. Gonna give shorts another try. Just because we have that bearish SMT. See if we could play it smarter. fine. That's fine. Have our projected high. And ES is putting in new highs with NQ lagging behind, holding that SMT. Oh boy, Price is doing a whole lot of shenanigans, bruh. Want to see us hold that SMT and flush. Seems like ES wants to put in new highs, hence NQ following right behind it. And another SMT, ES put in another high. Feel like this time NQ is gonna follow. And yep, ES is putting in new highs. And look, NQ does not want to, or what does it want to do? ES just put another high, and we're getting another rejection, bro. Or not. See, we could get clever here. ES is putting in new highs and NQ's failing to do so. Now ES is going for another high, bro. Right there, ES putting a new high. Right there, we got topped out. NQ's still lagging behind ES. Like, we still don't even take this one high. We're struggling here a bit, boys. ES is still trading into no man's land. NQ's holding. Oh shit, boys. I think I'm gonna have to scout my way back to being safe on the account. It's getting kind of late. Right there, finally, NQ takes the high. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait for a bit, see what price does. NQ still lagging, bro. Revenge, bro. Yeah, I'm trying. 4, 3. Probably my last trade right here. Yeah, let's do this last trade, bro. Revenging them shorts. Come on. All the way down. All the way down. I don't even know where to target. This is my last trade of the day, boys. Whatever happens on this trade, I'll take it. Um, I don't even know what the fuck to target, if I'm being honest. Like, the smart thing would probably target this low. Or I could probably take some contracts here, be smart with it. Hopefully we get a nice dump. Big reverse, brother. I feel like I'm targeting way too low. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Is it wishful thinking we're gonna take this low? Shit, I need to use the restroom, bro. BRB. What are we doing, boys? Fuck, bro. What do we take some now? Take some now. Fuck, you might be right. I did take some, bro. I did end up taking some. Pay the trader. Yeah, I need to start taking more partials more often. Watching this very closely. It is getting late, boys. Need to go to work. Not quite yet, but whoa, 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 whoa. At 10:30, he took that. That's crazy. The fuck is Price gonna do, boys? Can maybe look to take a cheeky re-entry if it presents itself. See if we can continue dumping. Again, look at that fucking candle, bro. Let's get cheeky with it. I'm gonna do another re-entry. Got extra cheeky with it. That's my break even. Let me see, keep dumping. I re-entered because we did tap on this fair value gap. This bullish order block is what's tweaking me out. It could respect it, but we want to see it get inverse, which is going to be tough. But let's see if price can continue being heavy towards the sell side. Want to see it keep going. I could look to trim 5 more since I did open 5. But let's wait for more displacement. It's respecting this fucking bullish order block. And I might aggressively trail. Let's see. See how we close. We might aggressively trail. Like to here at least. See if we can keep flush into the sell side. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared, cat. Want to see it keep dumping. See how this candle closes on the 2 minute. Got crazier with it. See if we could keep displacing. It's respecting this bullish gap. Right there, we're out. Ah! Oh, but it's respecting. Too much revenge. Could have just held initially with my stop at the high. Think I'm doing too much. Yeah, think I'm doing too much. Yeah, we're over trading, bro. It's an eval. It's not that deep. It's gambling. You should stop. Relax. Oh boy, a lot of people watching me. Maybe, yeah. Yeah, I need to go to work, boys, here in a few. I need to hop off at 11 or like in 20 minutes. Yeah, I'm doing that because it's an eval. My bad, boys. I didn't realize there was a lot of people watching right now. Doing too much. Let's see, how many trades have you had? Sheesh. Quite a bit. It's an eval, boys. Come on. Show us they count? Not yet. I mean, you did see it, no? Right there. Total P&L. I was aiming too low, perhaps. It's an eval, boys. It's an eval. Let me just try something. Give me the freedom to gamble a little bit. I mean, this is what I'm trying to avoid on the funded. But I'm going crazy on the eval. Hey, bro, you good, bro? Just take a moment, breathe, and come back strong. We're good. We're good, boys. We're good. We're good. It's not. It's seriously not that deep. It's seriously like we're good. We're fucking good. Like it's a fucking eval, dog. You good, bro? You good? Yeah, we're good. Everybody's good. Everybody's okay. Everybody's good. We're all good. Life is good. Still bearish SMTs. Like I'm still feeling that NQ wants to hold bearish. Might be a case where I'm marrying a bias too much. But even this 15-minute held bearish. Like Oh, here we go, boys. I'm taking the trade whenever, bro. I mean, yeah, I should have waited for the macro, but I honestly don't know what I'm expecting here or what the outcome could be or should be. Think we might be varying the bias too much, marrying the bias too much. Now we went too tight here. We went too tight. Ugh. There goes my $50, boys. That's it. We're done for the day. We're gonna try again tomorrow and again tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow until we're back funded, boys. Probably not the best way to go or the best way to move forward, but fuck them evals, dog. We have 20 concurrent viewers right now. 20 people just. Yes, we're gonna be live tomorrow, boys. Of course, we're gonna be live tomorrow. Trying to pass some accounts. Let's see what happens. I'm at school, but I can't trade. I'll just catch you all tomorrow, boys. Fuck these evals. I'm gonna load up 50 bucks down the drain. We're gonna try again until we're funded. Think I held the bearish bias way too much. It's going now. I have no other accounts, no nothing, no nada. I'm nothing, bro. I'm just trading evals right now. I fucking hate being in this stage. Um, and now it's dumping. You pissing me like it's playing with me. Now it's dumping, dog. Think I loaded way too much. Yeah, we made a mess. It's alright though. I mean, it sucks. Like I said, it sucks, and even more so doing this, like doing this on stream and y'all watching me. Like it feels wrong doing this on stream, but I mean, hey, it is what I will be doing off stream at the end of the day. And it's dumping now. Honestly, this is real content because it's authentic. Oh my god, bro, y'all are crazy. It's because this isn't a good example, bro. Like this isn't because like I'm not like I don't want to set a bad example here because there's a lot of novice traders watching me and like the reality is if you're just starting out like you shouldn't be doing what I just fucking did. Like it's a bad example. And look at this shit. Look at this shit fucking dumping now. I loaded up several times on shorts waiting for this. We loaded one, two, three. We loaded like 4 times waiting for these candles. Yeah, shit's playing games with us though. Yeah, but it's raw emotion. Most content traders only post the good part of trading. Yeah. I mean, it's all good. It's all good. Hopefully, we're good. We're good, boys. We're good. Thank you, Metasphere, for you. All right, we're good. We're good. Thank you. All right, that's it for me, bro. I need to head to work to the 9 to 5, bro. Put the fries in the bag type shit. But we're gonna keep at it with this trading shit. I'm gonna load up again, and yeah, I'll catch you all. I'll catch you all tomorrow. All right.